So our Williamsburg, Virginia series has officially begun. If you want to see what we do here in Williamsburg, Virginia, you should definitely stay tuned because today is the day that we travel for 7 hours and we give you a tour of our temporary, lodgings for the next 6 days. So stay tuned. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, we are a mother-daughter duo that love to document our travels and give you our tips and tricks on how we plan and prepare for our travels that we love doing. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the like button. Also hit the bell, ring-a-ding-ding, for some notifications so you get notified whenever we do post a video. What we are doing today is we are traveling to Williamsburg, Virginia, so follow along with us and we'll show you where we're staying for the next 6 days, and it's going to be a great time. So after a almost 7-hour drive, we have arrived in Williamsburg, Virginia. We are in our beautiful Airbnb. It is so nice and the host is so sweet. She left us a bottle of wine in the fridge.
Yes.
But if you want to see the full tour, you should definitely check out what's coming up next, which is the room tour. But right after you see the Airbnb tour, we're going to be heading out to Trader Joe's because we need to get some groceries, and there's a nice full kitchen here for us to store food and cook food so we don't have to go out as often. So we're going now.
Bye.
Bye.
Now we're going to take you on a tour of our Airbnb. When you come in the door, there's a very cute little kitchen table with some notes from our Airbnb host with all their information about local groceries and local restaurants. When you come into the kitchen, you have a stove and an oven, nice big sink, coffee maker, microwave, some little snacks, and a refrigerator. And one of the awesome things about the refrigerator is she left us some water and some Jack O' pumpkin ale and some wine, which is really nice. And then when you walk in, it's very cute. You first walk into the living area. In the living area, there's a sofa, a nice beautiful coffee table, and a nice area with a TV. And the television has a Roku on it. Look how beautiful. That's just the prettiest thing I've seen all day. So pretty. And even in the little nook over here is a double bed. The bedroom has another bed. It's a queen size bed. A beautiful chair in the corner. Such a nice, the furniture is just so pretty. Nice wardrobe. And there's another little nook. And finally we have the bathroom. And there's so pretty little towels laid out for us. I just love how she tied them up with a little flower on it. More flowers. Nice big vanity. And then Here's a nice, open this up. There's a very nice huge shower for us with a wand. More towels. This is the final walkthrough of our Airbnb. And if you're interested in this Airbnb, we'll put the link below. Oh, it also has washer and dryer. If you're interested in this Airbnb, we'll put the link below. And also Hannah has a code for some money off if it's your first time using Airbnb. We'll put that below also. And when you step outside, you have a nice deck with a table. You can get a great place for evening cocktails or morning coffee. It's been a long day of traveling and grocery shopping and just getting all of our stuff here. So we're going to close it out for tonight. Day 2 of our Williamsburg adventure. What we got in store today, Hannah?
Christmas shopping.
Christmas shopping.
Yep.
Going to the Yankee Candle store and some outlets.
Yes, we're going to the Yankee Candle store. It's going to be so much fun.
And we have a special guest here with us.
Let's go. Hi. So, introduce yourself.
My name is Elizabeth. I have known Hannah and Laurie for a couple years. Believe it or not, I don't know if you guys know this, but Hannah used to do pageants, and that's where we met. I hope she doesn't edit that out, so you guys actually know a good fun fact about Hannah now. I'm Elizabeth. I don't have much to say. Yeah, so I used to live in South Carolina. I live here in Virginia now. I live about an hour away from where we are now. But yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm gonna be staying at the Airbnb with them for a couple days and hanging out. Yeah, and we're really excited to go shopping today.
She's part of the reason why we came here. So
I am pretty cool.
let's go shopping now. So what do you think of it so far?
Well, this Santa Claus is wrong because it says William on it, and that's the nice list. And your dad is not on the nice list. So this Santa is wrong. Overall, it's amazing.
I'm about to make my own candle at the Waxworks.
Nice.
So that's going to be fun. So I get to choose different colors which correspond with different scents, and I put them all together into one candle. So cool. It's done.